This leaf has yellow rust. Is there a treatment for this disease?
Okay. For millions of small farmers, agriculture isn't just a business, it is a high risk gamble. First, they face a critical diagnostic gap, losing up to 40% of their yield to undetected pests simply because expert advice is unreachable. Second, they are farming blindly, overusing fertilizers without soil data, which destroys both their profit margins and the land. And finally, market asymmetry leaves them vulnerable, often forcing them to sell at distressed prices. This invisible cycle of uncertainty is exactly what we are here to break. To solve this, we introduced AgriSense, a unified digital agronomist for every farmer. At its core is our offline crop doctor, which uses Edge AI to detect diseases instantly on device, even without internet. But we go beyond diagnosis. Our soil intelligence engine prescribes precise fertilizers input, while our hyperlocal advisory guides farmers through every weather shift. Finally, we close the loop with an integrated rental marketplace and live mandi rates, connecting farmers directly to machinery and fair prices. It's not just an app, it's a complete farm to market ecosystem. And here is exactly how the system thinks. It begins with user interaction, where the farmer captures a leaf image. Crucially, our validation layer acts as a gatekeeper, instantly checking for blur or bad lighting to reject invalid data before it wastes processing power. Once validated, the image hits our model inference engine. We use a CNN for extraction, but notice the confidence threshold check here. If the AI isn't confident, we prompt a retake rather than risking a wrong diagnosis. Finally, a confirmed detection triggers the recommendation system, fetching offline treatment protocols and logging the scan history for future analytics. So, what makes AgriSense truly unique? First, it's our edge-first architecture. Unlike typical apps that fail without internet, our AI diagnosis runs 100% offline, making it usable in the remotest fields. Second, its inclusivity. Our speed to navigate vernacular interface breaks the literacy barrier completely. If you can speak, you can use this app. And finally, our FARMER framework integrates these offline capabilities with a rental economy and real-time market access, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem that actually empowers the user. Grid tech often fails in the field due to these critical showstoppers. First is the zero connectivity reality. Unlike cloud apps that break without signal, our AI runs fully offline on the device using TFL Lite. Second is the literacy barriers. We realized text was a blocker, so we built a voice first interface. If you can speak, you can use AgriSense. Finally, to tackle the trust deficit, we don't just give a diagnosis, we show the farmer why the AI made that decision, turning skepticism into confidence.